Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is just a vlog. It's just a boring vlog of us putting down our flooring. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And for my oldies but goodies, don't forget to hit that like button. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Like a warning, could have slept here for days. Okay, guys, so starting the weekend vlog early. Today's Friday. We went to get trim board for the door because I'm beefing up my front door. Like, I want all my doors, the trim inside the house, to be fat, but I'm starting with the front door first, and then, you know, over time hubby's gonna switch out all the framing in the house, the door frames, to craftsman style. So we got some prime, what are they, MDF? Prime MDF boards. Because Rob didn't want to have to prime and paint. Not paint. Rob didn't want to have to prime the boards. So we got those. Then we went to look for flooring. Rob gave me the budget for the flooring. Then he went into Lowe's, saw another floor that he loves, and now he wants to go over the budget. How is that fair? How does he get to go over the budget but I don't? Like, I don't understand how that works. But hey, you know, I ain't complaining because hey, it's nice to flooring. But we still can't settle on flooring for the downstairs main living. So we're still looking for that. Going on a month now, and we're still looking for floors. What else? We're going to Virginia right now to go get sausages because it's this weekend to cook. So yeah, we're racing against the clock. It's 6:39. The store closed at 7 o'clock, and it's like 24 minutes away from where we are. Well, where we started from. I don't even know where we started from, but yeah. So yeah, Rob is in charge this weekend. Say hi, Rob. So I don't know what else to tell you guys. That's it. Oh, I forgot. We sold the refrigerator, the black refrigerator. Rob sold it. One of his co-worker. So we made a quick little buck off of it. And that money I'm gonna put in savings, because if you guys don't know, I take cash out and save outside of all of our savings that we have going on. I take cash and save just in case, you know, you never know, you need cash. So I'm gonna put that with my cash savings, and everything that he sold on Facebook Marketplace, he gives me the cash. So I have a ton of money thanks to Rob. How many boxes do you have so far?
20.
20? Okay. You can always bring back whatever we don't use. That's a lot of flooring. So it was between this one and this one. I went with this because I feel like this is more classic than this guy. I really like this guy, but yeah, I don't want to be that person. I feel like this would look really nice. This one is called Devon Hoke. We need spacers.
You said 23, right?
Yeah. So we're trying to figure out if we need a whole kit to put in the floor, and they have different ones. They have one kit that brings the, is that a hammer? No, not a hammer. 50. How much come in this one?
48.
48. Okay, so this is $10, and this is $19.98, and you get the top in black, and you get the crowbar situation. So this is a better buy because you get the space, you get the spacers, you get the tap-in block, and you get this guy right here for 20 bucks. This guy right here is just the spacers, and it's $10, so that's a better buy. They also have another one for $32.55, which brings the little, what is it? It's soft. It's a mallet. It's a mallet, but we have mallet, right?
No, I just put tape on the end of a hammer.
Okay. All right, we're gonna get that. Anything else? I think that's it. Let's go drain our bank account.
Jordan or Hubby put something inside.
So, the boys are gonna get the food in the house so we can get it acclimated to the space. I hear a toddler. Hey, babes. Hey, boo. Yes, baby. If I like your hair.
Mama here.
Uh-huh.
Mama here.
What?
Yeah. Hold on.
Mama here.
Yeah, so we're cutting the carpet. Come on, guys. Get your stuff up. Moving all the furniture here over to this side. Good morning, guys. So yesterday, I didn't get anything done because we were messing around. But got the carpet up off the floor. And I'm tired. Like, I'm so tired. I'm done with Rob over on the weekends. I'm done with him. Like, he just does not know how to behave. I'm like, nope, not doing it with Rob. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys the progress that we've made. I need coffee.
Not much.
I need
We didn't get very
coffee.
far.
No, we didn't. I need coffee.
Initially.
My head feels, oh, thank you. My head feels,
That chicken could have cooked a little longer.
ew. And to think I ate it. Ew.
This was your plate?
No, that was not my plate. That was yours. I had a little tiny, that purple plate right there. So, we're gonna head up to Lowe's and pick up some stuff that we need. And you going to Lowe's? Or later?
Later.
Later, okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna head to Lowe's.
Transitioning strip, we don't need to last.
Yeah, okay.
And the jigsaw,
Okay.
I don't need to last because what I can do is, when we do get to that part, I can just drill a hole to remember
Okay.
where it's at.
Alright. So, we're gonna get started on the floor. I'm gonna finish up my coffee. But yesterday was fun. Like, fun. Like, it feels good to be able to put the past behind us when it comes to this cul-de-sac and just enjoy our home. Because Rob and I made the conscious decision that we're not gonna let anyone make us feel uncomfortable in our own home. And our presence, whenever time we go out, our presence is always known and is very strong. So I'm like, okay. I think
we got 5 kids that are not
yeah,
very quiet.
and I think people are intimidated by us, and that's why they try to degrade us and try to, you know, make it seem like we're bad people. But in reality, if you get to know us, we're not bad folks. It's just that Rob and I have a strong presence. When you're in our presence, you know you're in greatness, okay? You're in the presence of greatness, okay? Shoot, Rob and I could demolish a whole house and build it back up from scratch. Not really. Wouldn't want to. But I'm saying we're not tooting our own horn or anything, but I know that we're amazing people and we know how to have a good time when we don't judge anyone. We'll never judge anyone. We'll never judge you because we all have a story. I have a story, Rob has a story, you have a story. And guess what? We can all share our stories and we can all learn from each other and understand that we're all not going to come from the same place, but you have to respect me as a human being and know that regardless of where we're coming from in regards to our background, I am still a human being with feelings, emotions, and you can't just walk around and talk mess about people and judge people because you feel like you're better. No, honey, that kind of mentality is not, it's not where it's at. So I'm gonna go enjoy my coffee and get my house back together, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I forgot to show you guys where we are. So this is our subfloor, which is completely leveled. Thank you, Jesus, except for one little spot right here. We can work around that. And we started the flooring. Love this color because it matches up perfectly with the kitchen floor that I don't have to rip out. Just going to transition it. And the funny thing about the kitchen floor, it looks like tile. So yeah, amazing. So high and low for this flooring for it to match. And yes. Then we have to paint, and then I have to take out the trim around the door and put in chunkier trim for the door. My nails are dirty. And then finish laying the floor, which is a nightmare, but so far we've been able to line up over here or over here. So it's like it's taken us 3 hours to get this far, but so far so good. We should be able to knock this out in the next 6 hours and get this house back to working order. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's Monday. It's Monday morning. I'm editing, and I just realized that one, I went to pick up the kids' schoolwork at school and realized Jaxson doesn't have anything. So now I have to go collect all his stuff, run back up to the school because his teacher is there, and collect his schoolwork for him because he needs it because he's still, they still do school. Get all your stuff. But I was editing and I realized that I didn't finish out the weekend vlog, and I need that to go up at 10 o'clock ASAP, and it's like almost 9 o'clock. So I'm going to go downstairs and show you guys the finished product, the finished flooring. It's not finished because we have to transition it into the bathroom. And hubby was going to rip out the bathroom flooring, which the bathroom floor has a really thin underlayment. And then I forgot what he called it. It's not underlayment. It's a thin little plywood that they put to bump up the floor to meet the carpet before they laid down the vinyl flooring. So he had to rip up that, and by the time he got done, our body was just like tired. It just gave out. So he was like, okay, I'm gonna finish that another weekend, because he's like sore. My body is sore. I had to take Tylenol. It's in there. It was behind Brayson's envelope. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys that. Run up to the school, get Jackson's schoolwork, drop off his work that he's been doing here that I've been lazy to collect and bring back for her to grade it, because they still have actual school, unlike my public school kids. That's everything. Find more. Go check and make sure, because I'm not going back up to this school. So I'm going to turn the camera. My house is a hot mess, guys. Hot mess. I have to clean. I have to do a cleaning video this week. For real. Like, seriously. I'm not just saying that, but yeah, legit. So today's video is going to be late. I probably put it up around 12 o'clock because I have a ton to do. So while I'm talking, let me go take out dinner, because I've been ripping and running all day. I love my refrigerator. I love it, guys. Love thing. It's just the small things in life that makes me happy, So I'm gonna show you guys the floor, run up to Jackson's school, get his schoolwork, and then drop off what he has. So I will see you guys on Wednesday. Hopefully it's a cleaning vlog. If not, then you know, you guys understand. You really do. But my house is a hot mess. I'm just gonna show you what we've done. Please do not judge, okay? Okay, guys. So this is where we left off on the flooring, right where the stairs meet. And I love that the stairs, the brown is in the knot, so it just kind of like flows. When you come down the stairs, and turn on the light. My stairs dirty. Don't judge. When you come down the stairs, and the view into the living room and down here is so pretty. I think I'm gonna darken up my stairs a little bit though. But this is where we left off. I bought this transition strip. I need to get another one to transition these two flooring. I don't mind that these are two different flooring. Like I've said that before. You know, maybe later on I'll, run, continue this flooring over there. But this is a lot of work because this is the underlayment I was telling you guys about. This is what they put down and then put the vinyl, and then I put this on top of all of this mess. So this is 3 layers that we'll have to peel up. Nobody got time for that. So I got my living room put back together somewhat. So this is what it looks like. And then over here is a hot mess still. And then the bathroom, Rob is picking up the thing. He doesn't want to take up the toilet and that, so he's gonna chisel around it. And we still have all of this over here. This is gonna be, like I told you guys, we ripped out the closet. And I have a plan for this section, but I need the flooring in before I can continue and store it. IKEA is closed, so I can't really get the products that I need to finish up this space, but this space is gonna be amazing. And then I have to put the trim right here, and I love it, guys. I'm gonna take the curtains from here so that this trim is gonna match up with the door, and it's just gonna be beautiful. It's just gonna be a statement piece, and we don't need the curtains. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't want to cover up the trim work. I just want it to flow like really nice. This is gonna be a really nice light gray color. Anyways, I need to get a rug for this space too, because if you see, my table blends in with the floor. I didn't really do that on purpose, but it blends, and I need to cut that. Yeah, we can't. I need to break up the color like I did over here. So I need to get a rug. I might do some layering over here with the rug, and then I also need to get a rug for the kitchen floors, just because I don't want to mess up all these beautiful flooring that we have laid down. So anyways, guys, this is it. I am so happy. No more dirty, stinking carpet. There was so much dirt under the carpet. It wasn't even funny. It was as if they just laid the pad in, laid the carpet, and there was so much dirt. And I'm like, if I had a kid because Jaxson suffers from seasonal asthma. If I had a kid that had like asthma and, have that child living on top of that field, that's just gross. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna go, and so recap. We did this project, that project, frame out the windows, that project over there, frame out this window. I'm also gonna frame out this as well, but that's that. Painted the cabinets, put up lighting, refinish this thing. I did a lot of projects. One day I'm gonna have to take you guys through and show you guys all the stuff that I have completed. But right now I gotta go run and see, get Jackson's stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.